So if you're trying to log into Glassdoor but it just won't let you in, yeah, don't worry. This is pretty common and usually easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix Glassdoor login issues step by step. First, double check your email and password. Even a small typo or extra space can stop you from logging in. Next, if you're not sure about your password, just reset it. So click Forgot Password and follow the steps in your email. All right, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, weak Wi-Fi or switching networks can interrupt the login process. Now try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Old login data can sometimes cause conflicts and block access. If it still doesn't work, open Glassdoor in incognito mode. So this disables extensions and gives you a clean session. Next, turn off extensions like ad blockers. Sometimes they interfere with login pages or security checks. And if nothing works, try another device or switch to the mobile app. I mean, this helps you figure out if the issue is device specific. So that's how you fix Glassdoor login issues. One of these steps usually gets you back into your account quickly.